What comes to your mind when you hear the word agriculture? You see, while growing up, the definition we all received is that agriculture is the cultivation of crops and the rearing of animals for man use. Does that definition still stand today? Yes, it does. But the truth is, agriculture is so wide. Agriculture is not just cultivation of crops and rearing of animals alone. If you leave out the aspect of value addition, the aspect of processing, then you have not fully defined agriculture. So today, what am I talking to you about? You see, I'm starting a series on the importance of agriculture to our daily lives. Now, what is the first importance I will be talking about? One is food. Your body is powered by the energy derived from the consumption of food. Therefore, food is highly required. Farmers are responsible for the cultivation of crops and the raising of animals, which are being consumed directly or processed. Because of the need of the availability of food at all times, therefore, there is the need for food processors to process food into forms that can stay for a long period of time without getting spoiled. And that is what it means to extend the shelf life of food. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.